Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and the disciples throughout the books of Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, and Acts. Now, I used to believe that miracles didn't happen anymore, that they were just intended for back in those days, Bible days. Miracle is a Bible business. But every now and then something would stir me. Every now and then something would stir me. But since I've been doing this series and reading consistently about what Jesus did, my faith is being stirred. And I now believe that these are not just stories. They're things that actually happened. And I also believe that Jesus Christ is the same yesterday, today, and forever. If you believe, say, I believe in the comments below. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button. Drop a comment below, I believe. And share this video with at least one other person. And if you don't do it yet, I'm inviting you to click the subscribe button, and not just that, but the notification bell too. Why? So that you will not miss none of what I go on right there. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 11 from verse 17 to verse 44. When Jesus reached, he finds Lazarus done in the grave for 4 days. Bethany did there less than 2 miles from Jerusalem. And enough of the Jew them we come from Jerusalem side did come for Ush, Martha and Mary and make them feel better, cause them brother did dead. Now, when Martha here said Jesus did a come, she go fi meet him, but Mary turned back at the yard. Lord, Martha said to Jesus, if you did there, my brother wouldn't dead. But me know say, even now, God will give you anything you ask him for. Jesus said to her, say, your brother go come back alive. So Martha answer him and say, me know he going come back alive on the day when the world end and people come back alive. Then Jesus said to her, say, me are the one we make people come back alive. And me make people live. Anybody will believe in me, I go live. All if them dead. And them we alive and believe in me, them now go dead. You believe this, yeah? Yes, Lord, she say. Me believe. Say, are you are the Christ? You are God boy pitney we come in the world. After Martha said this, yeah, she go call Mary, her sister, one side and tell her, say, the teacher there, and he ma ask for you. When Mary heard this, yeah, she get up fast and go which part Jesus did they. No, Jesus near reach in the town yet. Him did there the same place which part Martha did meet him. when the Jew them from Jerusalem, where did in a house a hush Mary, see how she get up fast and going. Them follow back her. Cause them did feel say she did a go at the grave, go ball for her brother. When Mary catch where Jesus did they, she drop herself for him foot and say, Lord, if you did uncle there, my brother wounded. When Jesus see her Allah and a ball, and see the Jew them when it come with her, a ball too, him heart move. Which part to no put him? Jesus asked them. Come, Lord, come and see. Them said to him, Jesus, ball. Then the Jew them say, could you see how much indeed love him? But some of them say, the man here make the blind man can see. So, he couldn't do something to make Lazarus not dead. What Jesus see, touch him heart one more time, and he go which part the grave did they? No, the grave, I did one cave with one stone in front of it. Take away the stone, Jesus say. But Lord, the dead man's sister Martha say, by now, the place must smell bad. Cause a 4 day he mean therefore. Then Jesus say, don't me tell you say, if you believe, you would have see how God big and powerful. So they move with the stone. Then Jesus look up in the sky and say, Father, me thank you for listen me. Me know say you ever listen to me. But me I say they sitting here for the sake of the crowd of people where they are so that them can believe. Say, are you send me come? After Jesus done say that, him bawl out loud say, Lazarus, come out. The dead man come out with him hand and foot them tie up with piece of cloth. Piece of cloth did wrap round him face. Then Jesus said to them, say, take the grave clothes off of him and make him go on. God, what this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.